Back in 1950, Bill Pulte teamed up with some friends and built his first home, which led to what is known today as Pulte Group. You may have been to our communities or even seen us on HGTV. We are the creators of Pulte, Del Webb, Syntex, and John Whelan Homes. Not only are we one of the largest home builders in America, but we are also rated as best place to work. How do we do it? By staying committed to our mission, truly caring about our people, and building the homes and communities people love. From land development and construction, sales to service, and product to design, we work to deliver consumer-inspired homes and communities to make lives better. So, what makes us different? It starts with superior community layouts. Our land team studies each location for the best use of space and community design. Thoughtful consideration leads to communities that include cul-de-sacs, green spaces, and pocket parks, and limited back-to-back home sites. Amenity programming is developed using customer feedback to bring you the amenities you want most, resulting in a community unlike others in the area. As a team, we make sure that you get the most out of your home experience from the moment you explore our communities to the day you receive the keys to your new home.